Have you ever tried making a game character and got stuck immediately? Or finished a tutorial and the second you tried it on your own, everything just fell apart? Or maybe you started a project and as soon as you hit a roadblock, you ran right back to YouTube tutorials. That's not tutorial hell. That's fear of failure, and it's the real reason you're stuck. In the next few minutes, I'm gonna show you exactly how to break free from tutorial hell and actually start making games. And I know this is not just a theory. I've lived this. I taught myself software development with no degree in the field, no mentor holding my hand, just tutorials, trial and error, and a ton of failure. And guess what? That strategy took me from watching tutorials to a full-time software engineer in 1 year. Even now, I still look things up. I still watch tutorials and I still review documentation. And so does every developer I know. From beginners to professionals at billion-dollar tech companies, the difference? They're not afraid to fail. You're not stuck because you don't know enough. You're stuck because you're scared to try. And scared to realize you're not as good as you think you should be. That fear? That's what's holding you back, not tutorials. The sooner you accept that, the sooner you'll actually start learning and building for real. Here's what happens when you stop running from failure. You'll actually build your own projects. No more copying step by step, your ideas, your creativity. You'll learn faster than you ever did following tutorials because struggling through a problem forces real understanding. You'll build confidence, solving problems on your own, even through failure, making you unstoppable. You'll stop seeing tutorials as a crutch and you'll start using them as a tool, something that helps you build, not something you rely on. And the best part, you don't have to stop watching tutorials. You just need to stop using them as a safety net and start using them as fuel for your own creativity. So if you're ready to break free from this fake tutorial hell, here's what exactly you need to do. Start a new project right now. It doesn't have to be big. Just open your game engine and start creating something. Use tutorials as tools, not instructions. Need a health bar? Watch a tutorial, but don't copy and paste. Apply what you learned. Break big mechanics into small steps. Let's say you want to build a character controller. Don't try to do it all in one step. Try this instead. Get a simple capsule moving, then add jumping, then add a health bar, then maybe add attacking. Then layer in more advanced mechanics and continue moving on. So repeat this process. Learn, apply, struggle, solve, and repeat. So when you get stuck, walk away. Seriously, when you hit a wall, don't panic. Take a break, sleep on it. You'll be shocked how often the solution clicks when you come back fresh. So here's the reality. You'll always need tutorials. I still use them, so does every developer I know. The difference between devs who stay stuck and devs who succeed: stuck devs watch tutorials endlessly, waiting to know enough before they start. Successful devs take what they learn and apply it, even if it means failing along the way. So stop searching for a way to escape tutorial hell. It doesn't exist. The only way forward is to start building. So now you know the truth. Tutorial hell isn't real. You're just afraid to fail. But what if you're ready to start right now and you just need a clear roadmap? If you want a step-by-step guide that shows you exactly what to do the next year, month by month, to go from beginner to actually releasing your own games, then check out this video right here. That's your roadmap. Follow it, take action, and I guarantee you'll never feel stuck again. If this video helped you, hit the like button. Subscribe if you're serious about making games, and let me know in the comments what project you're starting today. Thanks.